Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to find your Swift code of Bunq account. So first we're going to go to our Bunq app. Then once here we're going to log in. So once we're logged in, we're going to go to our profile section as you can see. So once we're there, we're going to go to our account details. So under that we're going to find the Swift code. As you can see, it consists of the bank code, the country code, the location code, as well as the branch code. So we're going to find this number in our account details. So as you can see, here is the Swift code. I covered it up, but this is how you can find your Swift code. It's found under the account details. So this is how you can find it. You guys could check out our numerous playlists we have. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.